With the current COVID-19 crisis, a lot of us are now working from home. And being home all day, especially with some increased anxiety or stress, can make us want to snack all day. And here are 4 tips to help reduce mindlessly snacking. Number 1, create a schedule and jot it down on a whiteboard or post-it note every morning. Map out when you'll eat and when you'll work out and stick to it. Number 2, treat your snacks and your meals the same, meaning both should be well balanced with protein, carbs and healthy fats. Don't forget to fill up on veggies and fruits to help you increase fiber and feel more full. Number 3, unplug while you eat. Don't watch TV or mindlessly scroll on social media while eating. This can and often does lead to overeating. Being present while eating will allow you to listen to your body and help know when you're full. Number 4, this may sound strange, but try brushing your teeth more often than just before and after sleep. Believe it or not, having a minty feeling in your mouth can help you stop mindlessly eating. I hope these tips help. Comment below with any other tips that you find helpful to reduce mindlessly snacking.